So now I'm going to switch from file level to the image level backup. As you can see below, the entire configuration of backup plan is almost the same. So I have to choose devices I'm going to protect. Just to let you know, image level is available only for Windows operating systems. And then we have to choose the data to protect from our computers, which we can do exactly in the same way as we did for files. But instead of files, obviously, we have to choose the drives we are going to protect. So here, for example, is the first drive. Please take a look that I have to select entire drive, not a single partition. So it's not possible to backup partitions. We make backup of the entire drives. And once we choose the drives for drive image backup, the rest of configuration is exactly the same as it was for a file level backup. The drive image level backup is made on a block level, so we are accessing directly to the drive blocks instead of the file system. And I think that's all about the drive image level. So now you're equipped with a knowledge how we can easily protect the entire computer on a file and on a drive level image. So those two possibilities are available in Xopero 1. Now it's time to talk about the data restore.